Got a WhatsApp message you want to read, but you are not ready for them to know you saw it? Maybe you need a little time before you reply, or maybe you just want your privacy. Don't worry, I'm your tech guide Jeannie, and today I'm going to show you 3 magic tricks to read any WhatsApp message on Android without triggering those blue ticks. If this helps you out, hit that subscribe button. Let's make some tech magic happen. First, let's talk about those ticks. When you send a WhatsApp message, you will see 2 small tick marks next to it. When those ticks turn blue, it means the other person has opened and read your message. That is what we want to avoid, so here are 3 ways to do it. The first method is the most powerful. It is called turning off read receipts. This means WhatsApp will never show blue ticks on any of your messages, ever. Here is how to do it. Open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu that drops down. Tap on Privacy. Now look for the option that says Read Receipts. You will see a small toggle button next to it. It looks like a switch. Tap that toggle to turn it off. That's it. From now on, nobody will see blue ticks when you read their messages. Now, here's one important thing to know. This setting works both ways. When you turn off Read Receipts, you also will not be able to see when other people read your messages. Also, this only works for private chats. In group chats, blue ticks still appear. But for one-on-one conversations, this is the cleanest and most permanent solution. The second method does not require changing any settings at all. This one uses your notification bar. That's the panel that slides down from the top of your screen when you swipe down with your finger. When a new WhatsApp message arrives, do not open the app. Instead, swipe down from the very top of your screen with your finger. Your notification panel will slide open, and you will see the WhatsApp message appear there as a preview. You can read the message right there without ever opening WhatsApp. Because you never opened the chat, no blue ticks are triggered. One thing to keep in mind, if the message is very long, you may only see part of it in the preview. But for short messages, this is the fastest and easiest method. The third method is a little secret that most people do not know about. You can add a WhatsApp widget to your Android home screen, and when it is set up correctly, you can read your messages right there on the home screen without ever opening WhatsApp. Here's how to set it up. Go to your Android home screen. That's the main screen you see when you unlock your phone. Press and hold your finger on an empty space on the screen for about 2 seconds. You will see some options appear on your screen. Look for the one that says Widgets. Tap on it. Now, at the top of the widget screen, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type the word WhatsApp. You will see WhatsApp appear in the search results. Tap on it. A menu will open and you will see 2 widget options. Look for the one that shows the WhatsApp icon with a preview of your messages underneath it. That's the one you want. Tap on that widget to select it. You will then see a plus button appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus button to add it to your home screen. Now here's the part most people miss. Once the widget appears on your home screen, do not tap on it. Instead, press and hold on the widget for about 2 seconds. You will see yellow handles appear around the edges of the widget. Those are the resize handles. Drag those handles outward to make the widget bigger. The bigger you make it, the more of your message you can read directly on the home screen. Once it's big enough to show your messages clearly, tap anywhere else on the screen to lock it in place. Now, whenever a new WhatsApp message arrives, you can read it right here on your home screen without opening the app. No blue ticks, no notification sent. The sender will never know you saw it. And there you have it. 3 magic tricks to read WhatsApp messages without the sender ever knowing. Turn off Read Receipts for a permanent fix. Use your notification bar for a quick peek, or set up a widget on your home screen to read messages without even opening the app. If this video worked magic for you today, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you never miss another tech tip. And check out this video right here where I showed you how to completely hide your WhatsApp chats so nobody even knows they exist. See you in the next one.